Today I'll show you how you can easily map a user entity to a model class in Java using Java 8 features. So assuming you have a user entity in your project, let's say maybe you're using a framework like Spring Boot, and now this one is a user entity, and these are the columns in your database, and you don't wish to expose this field to through the REST API. For example, you may not wish to expose the password or user password to the through the REST API. So maybe you have a scenario where you wish maybe to expose only the age and the name. So we need to look for a way to extract only this and we exclude the user password. So for demo purposes, I have created a user service where I've just encoded a few users here. We have John with the password 1234. We have Eric Smith with this password. We also have Alice with this password. So I wish now maybe we wish now to expose the names and the age, and we exclude the password. So here is how we are going to go about it. So the first thing we do, let's create a model class, I use a model class which will be a static class, user model, call it user model response. It will be having two fields, that is private string. So for this one, you can even change the the name. You don't need to write this name. You can use another name. Let's say like full name. And you also write int user age. So for there, let's create a constructor using field selector. Then from there, first of all, let's have a list of all the users. User entity, user entity, users equals news user service dot. Let's first for import this class. You also import this class user entity. Get users from DB. So we used to return a list of user model response. We can get list. Let's say API response equals get users from entity, and we pass our users. So here we are going to use our Java 8 features to extract this entity. We only need the password. No, we only need the username and age. So what you do is you say users dot stream dot map each user and return new user model response. So the first thing is to take a name, and we have one user here. You say user dot get name, and then here we have user dot get age. Then we do dot collector, and use collectors dot to list. That's it. After that, let's output this model class. We still use Java 8 features. So what you do is say API response dot stream dot for each user says out get rid of this semicolon, say h dot user dot get dot full name user dot age, that's it, and run our project just like that.